here. Follow along on YouTube or Facebook on our Tarot for Traders channel. So we had the range bound. I mean, this was definitely a range bound day. We didn't break below this support level here. We're supposed to have a breakout off of the low and a high and a low that are in close proximity to each other towards the end of the day. From the high, we have this strife card. So obviously, boom, we went down hard. If you've been following along the last couple of days, then you likely made a chunk of change this morning, just like me. I mean, I turned, it was like for every 300 bucks was about $1,000. And that was for purchasing puts from selling puts that were purchased 2 days ago. So, you know, we saw this drop coming. You've seen this drop coming for a long time if you've been following our channel, that's for sure. And this stuff is on point. I don't need to tell you, you've been following along. And if you haven't, my friends, go check out Tarot for Traders on YouTube. We've got every single June S&P 500 trading day predicted by the hour that's already posted. Whether or not they're good or bad, they stay up. We've got like 1,000 posts. Well, we got, when you look at the tarotfortraders.com website, we've got over 1,000 posts. Yeah. So, okay, guys. So, looking at the 1 month overview, today was the Princess of Swords. And also a month's low correlator, and you can see, guys, you want to look at a 1 month chart. The month started here, definitely a month's low. We were a day off on these two crests, but you could technically say they were like over the night, right? So, but this is definitely a month's trough. On Monday, we should have a pop back up. The Princess of Swords is opportunity to position oneself on both sides of the market. So, like, if you utilizing options, you would open up puts and calls. So you'd have like a straddle or a strangle, and that way you're basically prepared to make money in either direction. What you need in order to make good money with a strangle or a straddle is a big move in one direction. That's the classical way. When you know there's volatility, you can get a little bit more nimble. But the only way you know that there's volatility coming is if you follow ESO meta-analysis. There's no other way to predict that. It's all guesstimation at that point. So yeah, anyhow, that would have been a great, this would have been a great day to sell those puts. What I did is I sold in the morning and then I rolled out puts. So I got 390 puts and I got 396 calls. Expiring on the 17th. So Monday, when we open up on Monday, I'll cash out of those calls, and then I'll likely reposition my puts or double down on puts, because then we have on Wednesday, we have another month's low correlator there. All right, guys, that's pretty much where we're at. That's what I'd expect over the weekend. If you made money, if you've been following along, I'd love to hear about it, my friends, because I made a good chunk of change this morning. Hopefully there's people who were ballsy enough to go along and do that as well. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Hit that follow and that like button if you haven't already. If you want to see a certain investment, put it in the comments. We may be able to get it out to you relatively soon. We're doing a lot of requests lately. And look out for more stuff coming out tonight and over the weekend. We should have all of July's S&P 500 one-day posts posted by the end of the weekend, along with a bunch of July predictions, over 1 month overviews. Again, guys, hit that subscribe button and share this with your friends, somebody you think that this would help. But most importantly, my friends, when you make money from these readings, pay it forward. I'll see you on the next one.